Liquid facial resurfacer is inspired by our clinical treatments. In the Sarah Chapman Skinesis Clinic in Sloane Square, we use some of the latest technology to deliver the best results we can on your face. We use the Endymed fractional skin resurfacing treatment. This is a really intensive towards the medical type treatments for the skin. We also do skin peels. We're looking at congestion on the skin, acne, problems with the skin, but also sun damage, deeper lines, wrinkles, if you've got kind of pigmentation issues from sun exposure. So what we've got for you is a daily product that you can use. Liquid Facial Resurfacer is a liquid that you can use after cleansing every single day that will give you a very gentle resurfacing, exfoliating, retexturizing on your skin, which will mean that your skin will look clear, it will look bright, it will have a smoothness. It's really easy for you to use as well. And it's something that you're probably used to with some sorts of products after your cleansing routine. We've designed it so that you can dispense your liquid facial resurfacer onto cotton wool. Then all you do is you wipe it everywhere all over the face, and that's your second step to your cleansing. The resurfacing, smoothing, conditioning to the skin is enhanced with some really incredible actives like a copper compound. You've got your vitamins in here. You've also got your phytic and lactic acid, which is going to really help to lift off the dead cells and give you the smoothing that you're looking for. So inspired by some of the most technical treatments that we do in the Skinesis Clinic, but giving you something very gentle, very perfected for everyday use on your skin to give you great results.